folks, Will from MinIO here with another how-to. Today we're going to be deleting objects from MinIO using JavaScript, and as usual we're going to be using Node version 18. We're going to be working with our play.min.io sandbox, and we're going to show you all of this through our Visual Studio Code environment. Let's take a look. So as you can see, this is relatively simple code that we're working with here. The remove object method takes a few arguments, the bucket name and the object name, and of course if there was any prefix on that object name I'd have to add it in there. And then I also have a simple callback here. Now, it turns out that there is an additional field that I can add into this should I want to, and that is remove options. And I would use remove options if I was using versioning or I was using governance or something along those lines to make sure that I was only removing exactly the version of the object that I wanted to get rid of. So let's go ahead and run this real quick right here in our node index.js. And the object has now been removed from the system. And since that was the only version that I had uploaded prior to this demo, if I now do an mcls on play JavaScript demo bucket, there's nothing there anymore. I have now removed that object successfully from the system. And that's our demo for removing an object. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you would like to reach out to us, you can reach out to us on any of the methods you see on your screen here. You can also reach out to us on minio.slack.com. And of course, you're always welcome to leave a comment here on the video, and we will get back to you as soon as we possibly can. Thanks again for joining me, and we'll see you for the next how-to.